Welcome to this tutorial on how to configure EveryDollar zero-based budgeting. EveryDollar is a free budgeting tool that helps you track your expenses and create a personalized budget. Zero-based budgeting is a method where you assign every dollar of your income to a specific category, ensuring that you are aware of where your money is going. To get started, sign up for an EveryDollar account and link your bank accounts to the platform. This will allow you to track your income and expenses automatically. Next, set your income by clicking on the Income tab and entering your monthly income. You can also add multiple income sources if you have more than one job or receive irregular income. Now, let's move on to creating your budget. EveryDollar uses a zero-based budgeting approach, which means that every dollar of your income is assigned to a specific category. The platform provides preset categories such as housing, transportation, and food, but you can also create custom categories that fit your specific needs. Start by assigning funds to your essential expenses, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. These expenses should be prioritized first, as they are necessary for your daily living. Next, allocate funds to your savings goals, such as building an emergency fund or paying off debt. After that, assign funds to your non-essential expenses, such as entertainment, hobbies, and travel. Be sure to prioritize your spending based on your financial goals and values. Remember, the key to zero-based budgeting is to make sure that every dollar of your income is accounted for. As you continue to use EveryDollar, you'll be able to track your expenses and stay on top of your budget. The platform also provides tools and resources to help you stay motivated and on track, such as budgeting tips and financial calculators. Best practices for using EveryDollar include regularly reviewing and updating your budget, prioritizing your spending based on your financial goals, and avoiding impulse purchases. By following these steps and using EveryDollar to its full potential, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, configuring EveryDollar zero-based budgeting is a straightforward process that can help you manage your finances effectively. By signing up for an account, setting your income, creating your budget, and tracking your expenses, you can ensure that every dollar of your income is working for you. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, EveryDollar is a powerful tool for anyone looking to take control of their finances.